Good morning, everybody. Yesterday was crazy. That's why I always say, if you see market very bullish and then you see 1530 MACD dead cross, um, be careful. Trend can change and go down. And yesterday, on top of that, when you see 1530 is downward, when you see that after that 1 hour confirms, it's even get worse. Um, so yeah, yesterday we had a big dump, and the weekly MACD is dead cross confirmed. Weekly MACD dead cross is confirmed on the ES. Daily is still very bearish downward. Pre-market right now, 15:30 1 hour is upward. They're all golden cross upward, but futures are a little bit very green, a little bit, not too much. We'll see. If again 15 and 30 MACD dead cross confirms, we can go for another big dive down. We are too close to S&P 500, SPX 5000, so it is possible to touch down there. Then we'll see what market is gonna do. Next key level on the SES is 5068. Below that, those are the next key level. NQ NQ same thing like ES. 1531 hour is upward, but in general trend is down on all market. 4 hour daily and weekly is downward until we don't have 4 hour MACD golden cross on major of names. Not expecting a crazy bounce up, and any small run up can be sold quickly and is a good opportunity to grab puts cheaper. um, Dow Jones is a little bit greener than other indexes thanks to UNH earning. 4 hour is golden cross. It is green, so we'll see what's gonna happen there. RUT more reddish than other indexes. Rates going higher is not gonna be good for small caps. DXY 4 hour is dead cross, so that's a good sign actually a little bit. So if the dollar falls more, it's gonna be good for text, but in general trend is very up on daily and weekly. Need to break 105,985 to go lower, but if it does break 106,614, not gonna be good again. 10 years just keeps crawling higher, and 4.652 right now, that's a key level to watch. If it breaks that is strong, then we're looking at 4.7, 477.7. Those are the next major level. We got close to 5 last 2 years, and market was very bearish. So if it gets there, God bless the market. Fed needs to print more money. 4 hour is not that cross yet, same as 1 hour. So we'll see the market. If 10 years fall, it can be a little bit good for market. But at the same time, keep in mind, on top of all the indicators that we are watching during the day and every day, news is everything. So yesterday market was falling and was weak, but it was holding up a little bit. But as soon as the news of Israel Air Force is getting ready hit the tape, market start diving down very fast. So doesn't matter rates or dollar, whatever happens. If you see a sudden bad news comes in, direction can change very rapidly either way, if it's good news or bad news. Wix just crazy went up. So right now, pre-market 15:30 is downward. 1 hour is dead cross. It's still very bullish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. Need to go below 1812 to help market go a little bit, have a more bounce up. But if you see 5 is MACD's golden crossing right now. If you see 15 MACD golden cross past 1951 and 2037 is not gonna be good. And next levels are 21, 22, 23, 2358. Um, SPX next major level is 50.51 to watch. If it can hold it, 50.28 and 49.91, those are the next major level. BTC weekly is curved down, halving, seems like nothing much special going on this time. ETH big dump there from 4,000. Weekly is near dead cross. Apple. Apple was very interesting. So Apple held up yesterday, and it was holding until even the news came out. It was still trying to hold, but then suddenly it joined the drop, and it went down a lot. Went down to 171.47, and that's a major level. This morning it touched down 171.47 major level, but it's bouncing back above it. Right now is opening flat, so two key levels to watch this morning is 171.47 and 173.54. Breaks either one, can have a bigger move. 4 hour MACD is dead cross, so there is weakness there. So if it falls 171.96, 171.47, those are the next major. Below that, if it goes, can go back all the way down to 169.95. Need to get above 173.54 for running back up to 175.82. Amazon is still holding up stronger compared to many other names. Is still near all-time high. Earning is coming close in, I think, 2 weeks. Not, yeah, date is not set yet, but it says 425 here. So daily MACD is near having a dead cross. Key level to watch is 182.06 and 180. If it does break that one, it can go for a bigger dump. But for now, it's just up and down between 182 and 185. We'll see if it breaks either way. Nvidia was very strong at open yesterday, and it was a nice jump up. It had some pullback at the open, then it had a nice jump up to 906, but then it started weakening. 5 MACD dead cross, and then the news came and it had a big dump. Right now is opening a little bit up, 6 point up. So 1531 hour is upward. So if it jumps up at open, we're looking at 871, 877. Those are the next key level to watch. Breaks 877 can go for a bigger recovery, but if 863 can hold it, 856, 849, 845, those are the next major level to watch. AVGO follows Nvidia a lot, so oh, let me just go back to Nvidia. Nvidia, keep in mind, we got dark blue bars on weekly, and weekly MACD is near having a dead cross. AVGO, so all semis follow Nvidia. Whatever Nvidia does, they follow. If Nvidia flies up, they go follow it. If Nvidia falls, they fall harder. So AVGO right now, two major levels to watch is 1304 and 1320. If 1320 can passes, then we can looking at 1325, 1333, and 1341 and higher level. But for now, direction is very bearish on 4 hours. So if 1300 can hold it, 1292, 1281, 1267 can come. Coin there was a big dump there yesterday, so if the lower BTC goes, the lower this goes. Pre-market right now, 1531 hour is upward. So if 222 pass, 226, 230, above 230 can run up to 241. But if 220 can hold it, we're looking at 217, 214, 212, and if 212 passes, is straight down to 200. Weekly is curved down, so if BTC more pullback, if it goes under 60k, coin can go to 200. Netflix, big fall there yesterday too. Earning is coming up this week, so that's gonna have a big effect on it. 611 pass, 613, 616, 619, 1 hour is golden cross. So but if 606 can hold it, back to 601 and 595. This one is just wild. It's gonna be wild this week, but the premiums are super expensive to play. I just went over it, I'm not on the Netflix. Meta, big dump yesterday. 497 is a key level to watch. Can't hold it. 495, 493, 491. Need to get above 500. 501 to run up to 503. If 503 passes, then it can go for a bigger run up, 507, 511, and 514. Tesla, poor Tesla. Poor Tesla. 4 hours still in the dead cross mode. Daily MACD is near having a dead cross. Most likely is going to dead cross this week. And this one is already opening below 158.95. And next major key level to watch is 156 and 154. If 156.19, 154 can hold it, we are looking at 149, 146 to come. Need to get above 158.95 for running back up to 161 and higher level. In general, very bearish on the 4 hour. If daily MACD that cross confirms, lower can go. Microsoft, big dump there too. It's opening below 415, so 413 if you can hold it, we're looking at 412, 411. Below 411, next majors are 409, 406, 403. Need to get above 415.36 for recovery back to 420. Google was strong yesterday, but then it tagged along the dump, and then 152, if 152, 151, and those are the next major level. Need to get above 154.72 for more recovery, but 4 hour is very bearish. AMD got an upgrade to 220, that's why it's like 2 points up. 164.46, that's the next major level. If it does pass that one, can go for a bigger run up, 165, 167, 170. But if 161.58 can hold it, back to 158, 156.93. Boeing dump continues there. 4 hours golden cross, nothing special there. SPY, crazy. So SPY, two key levels to watch today is 503 and 507. If 505.95 passes strong, we can go back to 507.75. Above 507, we can go for a bigger recovery, 509, 511, 513. If 504.16 and 503 can hold it, 503 is a major level, then we're looking for next key level 501, 500, 499. If 499, if 500, 499 or 499 breaks this week, we are looking for next key levels are 496, 90, 45. That's the next major level. Sorry about that. QQQ. Two. QQQ 432.79. That's a key level to watch. Past that one, 434, 436. Major level 436.79. Need to get above 436 for run up, but techs need to have a big run up to get there. If 430 can hold it, and then we're looking at 428, 425, and 423.08. IWM keeps rolling down. It's still red for the day. 194, 193, 97. That's the next major level. If 193 breaks, 192, 190, and 189. What else you got here? Let me see. SMCI gapping up open 20 points. So this one 912, 928 is the next key level. 4 hours golden cross. That's actually interesting. But if 899 can hold it, back to 870 and 853. What else you got here? That's pretty much it on the major names. GS is holding very strong up. That's interesting. So if it runs up, continue 409 and 416. Those are the next major level. Doubt 416 this week, but 409 is possible. What else? MS had a nice earning, but keep in mind they had a big dump last few days. So 91.13 and 93.12. Those are the next major level. J&J kind of flat after the earning. Back earning was good, but small run up so far. If 36.51 passes strong, we're looking next target is 37.84. UNH monster run up, so it is possible to more run up to have 482 pass, 488, 495 until the 15 and 30 MACD is not dead cross. It is possible to run up higher, but if it fails, 469, 461 can come. Yep, that's pretty much it. Futures are kind of flat so far, and it's up to news and volumes. If market stays in a tight range, it's going to be choppy. Just keep that in mind, and please like the video, please subscribe. If you like, you can join Said Option Service. I post levels and market actions real time. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.